Hello, am I audible to all? Am I audible to all?
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
Yes, okay. Let everyone join, we will start. How many are there total students? 24? Hello? How many students are
Yes,
24?
yes, madam. 24.
Yeah, okay. So first group will give me the updates. Which topic you have finalized? Roll number 1 to 5. First group. Are they present all? 1 to 5. N1 batch 1 to 5. Are they present all? Yes. Roll number 1 to 5. Answer my question. Are they present? Yes. Please answer. 2, 3, 5 are present. 1 and 4 is not there. Okay. So first group, roll number 1 to 5. Roll number 1 to 5. Group 1. Chalo, speak out what you have done. Roll number 1-5. What is your topic you have decided? 1 to 5.
हेलो मैम
हाँ बोलो. टॉपिक क्या है आपका? For PBL, which topic have you selected? Hello.
हेलो मैडम हमने पॉलीमर पे प्रोजेक्ट करने का निर्णय लिया है
कौन से पॉलीमर पे क्या प्रोजेक्ट है? नाम?
वो अभी डिसाइड नहीं किया सिर्फ पॉलीमर पे करने का डिसाइड किया था हमने
नहीं, आज मेरे को बोलने का है, फिर आगे जाने का है. हर बार समथिंग न्यू मस्ट बी एडेड इन द डेवलपमेंट. आज मुझे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम ही चाहिए. और हैव यू मेड अ ग्रुप, योर सेपरेट ग्रुप? रोल नंबर 1 to 5.
यस मैडम यस
Yes.
यस वी मेड अ ग्रुप
Okay. You start discussing it now on phone, and by the
ओके
end, you give me the topic today itself. Huh? Finalize
ओके
the
ओके
topic. And one thing is that
कब तक मैडम कब तक हाँ ओके ओके
today only, before leaving, 3:45.
ओके ओके
Huh?
ओके मैडम
Before that, finalize.
ओके मैडम ओके
Remember that you are not going to purchase any chemical. You are not going to purchase any chemical. Either you have to show the video clip of the model or and PPT. So only that is allowed. Please do that. Huh?
ओके मैडम ओके
Uh,
ओके ओके
okay, do it.
वी डिसाइड एंड टेल यू आप Okay, okay.
today itself. Huh?
हाँ मैडम हाँ.
Okay, next group.
Yes, ma'am. From 10, from 5 to 10. Hello.
Hello. 6 to 10.
Yeah, 6 to 10. Yeah,
Huh.
ma'am. We have decided to for PBL, we have decided corrosion science as our topic.
But what you are going to do in corrosion science?
Ma'am, like we are collecting points about corrosion science. Like we have given separately, like we haven't given any separate topics. Like we have just said that like just collect all the क्या नाम है, important points about corrosion science. Just
But
this much
for
only.
corrosion science, if you have to study the excuse me. Hello. Getting one phone. Excuse me. For corrosion science, for any project, main project will be you have to find out the loss in weight due to corrosion, and for that you need to place the metallic article for same period, one in the acidic medium, one in the alkaline medium, or all the metallic object in different concentration of acid. So corrosion, if the scope of corrosion project limited to this, and for that purpose you do not have any permission to purchase the chemicals, neither acid nor base, on your own. If you will find out any material item, household item, can be acidic or basic in nature, like citric acid, it will be acidic. Then caustic soda, it will be basic. So you can use that as the chemical for studying the rate of corrosion. But again, then to find out the loss in weight on dipping in acid or base for 1 hour or 2 hours, because these are weak acids. So in 1 hour, appreciable loss in weight you will not get. So to get a loss in weight which can be calculated in the grocery shop uh, balance, you should have to dip it at least for 4 to 5 hours. Then only you will find decimal point loss in weight. So for that purpose, I think that corrosion science may not be good for as a project, because without acid or base, the actual acid or base, and that also strong acid like HCl, HNO3, HSO4, and strong bases like NaOH, KOH, it may not be possible. So other than this, have you seen any project which do not need any chemical like acid or
Yes,
base?
ma'am.
What are those
We have decided for the preparation of fuel from plastic.
fuel from plastic? But
Yeah,
fuel was there, same group, send 6 to 10, na roll number.
yeah, 6 to 10.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, how you are going to prepare? What chemicals are required? Yes,
Um,
what chemicals are required? How you are going to prepare?
Ma'am,
Anyone?
I haven't seen this much like what chemicals are required.
First thing is fuel chapter is not there in the present syllabus. polymer is there, so you can consider the plastic as a polymer. So the project from polymer may be there, but for that also, without using any chemical, it is not feasible. So just tell me the procedure if you have seen, which doesn't need any chemical for conversion of plastic into fuel. Please share it with me. I will give the permission for that, because strictly Patil madam has given us the instruction that no chemicals will be used in the experiment or the project. If they will use, in spite of giving the instruction, excuse me, then they will not be given any marks for their project. So don't do it. Please share the procedure with me. Without using any chemical, how is it possible to convert the plastic into fuel? Hmm? You tell me, I will accept it.
Sure,
Hmm?
ma'am. Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
मैम हेलो मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम
Yes.
अभी तो मैम ये जो प्रोजेक्ट हमने डिस्कस किए थे मैम अभी थोड़ी देर पहले
हाँ,
कोरोजन ऑफ साइंस और फ्यूल फ्रॉम प्लास्टिक तो मैम अभी ये दोनों प्रोजेक्ट नहीं होंगे तो हम दूसरा मैम कौन सा कर सकते हैं फिर मैम प्रोजेक्ट तो सारे ऐसे ही है ना केमिकल्स और इसके ही है मैम
आप
इसीलिए
ऐसे करो ना कि एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द पॉलीमर इन द इंडस्ट्री, वो एप्लीकेशन कुछ आप
हाँ
तैयार करो, मॉडल तैयार करो बाय यूजिंग कार्डबोर्ड. अपना पुट्ठा रहता है ना, पुट्ठा या कार्डशीट
हाँ
पेपर या थर्माकोल, तो वो उससे मॉडल तैयार करो और वो कैसे फंक्शन करता है, दैट यू शो इट by with the help of video clip. You insert the video clip and demonstrate the application in the different industry, maybe the electronic industry or maybe uh, mechanical industry, like that. See the syllabus in detail and find out if you can show the application of any polymer in the particular industry, automobile industry, mechanical industry, instrumentation industry, or electronic. You find out, make the model of that by using the cardboard and card sheet paper, and show the working and present the video clip of that, because we have total 5 turns. In the next turn, this is the second turn. In the next turn, you are going to show me 5 to 6 slides related to your project. In that, first slide will be our welcome slide. Second slide will be with VIT logo, VIT name of all the student with their roll number, PRA number, and mail ID in the same slide, and my name and name of the project. Second, next slide will be what is the importance of your project or objective of your project. At least 1 or 2 slide you are going to write about the objective. What are the application of your project? Why you have chosen that particular project? Yeah, that you have to write it at least 1 or 2 slides about that, and then 1 or 2 slides for the reference work. Reference work means, suppose you will choose a topic, for example, the purification of water by using activated charcoal. So you just find out the journal, scientific journal, who has written, who has done the work on this particular topic, that is the purification of water by using activated charcoal. You find out the journal and read that journal, and little bit information you put it in your project. So a minimum 2 or 3 journal you refer to, and from each journal little bit information you make a use of it for your project, and mention the name of journal, then the name of the paper first. Suppose activation of purification of water by using activated charcoal. This is the name of paper. Suppose the author is XYZ. So their names you have to write up. First you have to write the name of the paper. Then you have to write down the name of the author. Then in that journal is a book. In the given journal, suppose that journal is a Science and Technology, Journal of Advanced Science and Technology. So it is in advanced science. Then third point you will write which journal it was published, which page number, suppose 320 to 325. So like that you have to write down the references, at least three references from the papers and three references from the books. If you will find the references from the journal, they are called as the references, and if you will find the references from the book, it is called as the bibliography. So at least three references from the journal and three references from the book you have to find out, and that will be your next slide after the objective. And then your present application and future scope. Next slide will be present application of your project and future application of your project. These many slides should be there for the project selected, and everyone is going to present it not for more than 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. So that will finish all presentation in single 1 hour session, and that is must. If you will say that we have not prepared, etc., etc., directly we got the instruction that will give 0 marks. So please, immediately today itself you finalize the topic. Before leaving you tell me the topic, start working on it. Now one will be the leader. Every time same leader may or may not be there, but one will act as a leader. Second time maybe second person will be a leader, and he or she will demonstrate the duties of all the participant in the group. So one will prepare the PPT, one will go for the literature review, one will prepare the model, one will prepare the PPTs, PowerPoint presentation, and one will like that you divide the work, and then each one should know what you have done it for about each slide. It should not happen that presentation I have not done, or you should not say that the model I have not prepared. So even if because you are not at one place, concentrated at one place, very difficult to coordinate. So everyone will be doing differently work, different tasks for the first this PBL project, and then on the fifth turn I'm going to evaluate finally out of 20 marks. The in semester I'm saying will be in the next week, for which 20 marks are there for every student. And fifth week we'll have the final presentation with the audio clip and all that, video clip and all that, whatever maximum effects you can give, not the animation effect I'm talking about, the video clip, audio clip, some YouTube links, etc. Whatever maximum you can try to accommodate it, because this is a time where you, instead of the experimentation, your presentation will have the more marks, because the more techno savvy you are, yeah, technology very strong, and you try to show as much as your technical knowledge is about the computer operation. So next week all the groups are coming with the at least 6 to 7 slides per presentation, and only 1 minute per slide will be there, maximum 7 slides will be there. First slide, welcome slide. Second slide will be name of the college with the logo, name of the student, name of the project, name of the guide. Third slide will be your objective or the importance of the project. That maybe you may make two slides if you want to score good marks, because you find out how many different applications are there for your project. So if not two, at least one complete slide should be there. Then after importance, present application and future scope. After importance, present application, future scope, and lastly you will have the literature review. Literature review, two type will be there. First type will be the literature review from the journal, scientific journal. You find out the journal related to your topic on the Google, and from that try to take the matter knowledge and try to improve your project process. And that will be called as a reference. And if you will take the references from the book, that is called as bibliography. So you do it accordingly, you plan it and share with us. Huh? Next time it is necessary, no one will get any excuse. Now the madam has also told us that this time this lockdown or whatever is there online classes we are taking, it is up to 28th. Now tomorrow again decision will be there for next week whether there will be some partly offline, partly partially online, partially offline, then again timetable is likely to change. So don't tell me that last time it was on Thursday, this time it is on Tuesday. So immediately today after our discussion is over, yeah, I will give the green signal to your topic. Immediately you have to start preparing for your presentation. Maybe if the timetable is changed, today we are discussing it on Thursday, but next week maybe again partially we'll have online, partially we'll have offline. In that case we will be in the college and the timetable may be different like earlier one. So that time I don't want to listen to you that because of timetable we have not prepared. So immediately after the discussion is over, uh, at least 1 or 2 days within that you have to finish the presentation. Distribute the task equally among all the students, but make awareness for all the slides which are there. So no one, I don't want to listen that the roll number so and so has done the PPT and it was not communicated. So if roll number so and so is doing the PPT, he should communicate it to all before presentation. So this type of query should not be, or this type of parallel should not be there anytime. That is a kind request to you because there are marks for the teamwork also. So I don't want you to lose the marks for any reason. So topic selection, if it is a innovative topic, there are marks. Presentation properly done, maximum technical activities used like audio clip, video clip, etc., etc. Likely that you will get more marks. And presentation should be 7 to 8 slide will be there, and last slide will be thank you. In thank you itself, any question that will be together. First welcome, second name of project, name of the student, name of the guide with logo. All the slides should be with logo at the left hand side. The next objective, 1 or 2 slide. After yes, any problem, any query, yes, any query from your side. Am I audible to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. So prepare in this way. Next week, the first evaluation will be there, which will be for 20 marks. We'll assume that the same situation is there. Then we'll have our turn on Thursday itself in the same slot, quarter to 3 to quarter to 4. If the same situation won't be there, then might be timetable is likely to change. But even if it will come on either Monday or Tuesday or Saturday, anytime, you have to keep it ready by tomorrow so that anytime it may come in the next week. Surely it will not come this week. So up to Sunday, your presentation must be ready. So even if it will be planned, it will be there in the timetable to next week in the Monday. You will be in a position to present everything on Monday. So up to Sunday, prepare everything, all the slide. But today before leaving, please communicate me your final topic and seek the permission from me. Now next group is 11 to 15. Next group 11 to 15.
Hello, hello, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, we intend to do a project on curing cancer using nanotechnology. So,
Good topic. Good topic. I think you have posted me this.
we
Na?
have,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. I have reported you yesterday, and
Yes.
we intend to work on passive tumor accumulation and few other techniques. Also, gold nanoparticles are used for curing cancer. We would add a few slides on that.
Okay, but do you need any chemicals other than this gold particles and all? Means
No, ma'am. That we will just give information about it. those processes
how
cannot
it
be
works,
conducted
how it
physically.
works. You are not doing any experimentation. You are going to project how will be the procedure, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. The mechanism and the procedure, how it works and how it is effective than traditional chemotherapy or other processes.
Try to add as many as pictures you can, and try to have as many as effects you can. Not animation effect I'm talking about, to make your presentation the best one. Everyone, it is not only this group, everyone will try, because in our EWS presentation, we are saying that students are making the presentation which are beyond our imagination. We thought that they are not in a position, but they are preparing the good, the best presentation. So involve as many as technological effects in your presentation, and make it aware to all the group members, and so that if any question is posed will be answered by all. Keep it ready by Sunday, so that even if it will be on Monday, if timetable is changed, you should be able to show it on Monday also. It is one rule for one and all, not only for this group or earlier group. It is there because the whatever the situation is there, COVID situation is there. Day by day, the number of patients are increasing. Yeah, even yesterday, it was the highest in last 2 months. That is 8,807 patients were there in Maharashtra. So the situation may go to a worse side, and then maybe we have to continue with the online only, maybe offline not possible. I don't know, means today I cannot predict, because no one can predict it. So even then, please prepare, try to get as many as marks in your presentation skills. So I am not expecting the animation, but I am expecting some effects in the presentation, like the cancer operation, etc., etc. Maybe video clip you add it for the information, to make it more interesting. Huh? Prepare it, keep it ready halfway by next turn. At least 7 to 8 slides will be there, and each one is going to present one. Each one is going to now. You will say that I have presented first welcome slide. Welcome and thank you are not to be presented, that to be displayed only. And maybe the leader will introduce everyone, every group member of the group, that may be there, but nothing more to explain. So from the main whatever slides are there, everyone is going to talk about something. Clear? Clear or not? Have you got the
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
what is the name? I have to write it down. Your group 11 to 15. Give me the title of your project you have selected.
Ma'am, cancer treatment using nanotechnology and polymeric nanoparticles.
Cancer treatment using, एक minute, let me write. Using nanotechnology, na?
Yes, nanotechnology and polymeric nanoparticles.
Nanotechnology and polymeric.
Nanoparticles.
Okay, the topic is very good. You go ahead, present it positively. Okay, you go ahead. Now 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Next group, 16 to 20. 16 to 20.
Hello, ma'am.
I'll repeat the format. I'll repeat the format even at the end. 16 to 20, next group. What have you decided the topic?
मैम हमने टॉपिक शॉर्टलिस्ट किए हैं, अभी तक फाइनल नहीं हुआ है.
कौन से किए हैं? Let me.
Ma'am, it's yet to decide now. We'll let you know by today itself on your WhatsApp.
Why not now? But you will come prepared with the presentation next week. No
Yeah,
excuse
yeah,
for
sure, ma'am. Sure,
anyone.
for sure, ma'am.
Otherwise, straightforward, 0 out of 20. Everyone will get. Huh? All the slides you have to
Okay, ma'am.
come with, but before that, today by 9 or 10 on my personal WhatsApp number, you will send that your batch is N1, roll number 15 to 20, sorry, 16 to 20. 16 to 20. We have chosen this topic, but everyone keep in mind, again and again I am telling you, the recordings of the meetings are also with me. Do not purchase any chemical which may find to be harmful for you. If something goes wrong, maybe your parents will can file a case on the college. We don't want that type to happen. That is why we have the recording of each meeting every time consistently. Every staff of chemistry is informing you that select the topic for which you don't need to purchase any of the chemicals. Maximum you can use the vegetables at home, not any acid base, concentrated acid, concentrated bases, to show the properties of that. Suppose if you have to find out the pH of the water, then you can prepare the different solution, maybe from cabbage, maybe from wheat, etc., etc. You do the literature review on that, how do they function, and make their concentrated solution at home by putting water. If they need acid, then just neglect it. See whether from cabbage, beet, uh, or maybe other vegetables which are colored vegetables. You can make the concentrated solution and they function to check the pH of the water, pH indicator. Can they be used as a pH indicator? That you can do it, and one of you can try it, and if it is successful, just take the video film, do the video shooting and share it uh, in your presentation. uh,
मैम, हेलो मैम, मुझे एक डाउट है।
हाँ बोलो।
दरअसल वो प्रेजेंटेशन जो बनाना है, वो जो टॉपिक लेंगे, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट वाटर मैनेजमेंट का टॉपिक लिया।
हाँ
हाँ, तो फिर उसमें हम स्लाइड्स दिखाएंगे कि कैसे वो मैनेज कर सकते हैं, और फिर हमें अलग से मॉडल मतलब एज अ वीडियो दिखाना पड़ेगा क्या?
Yeah, how it works. Only theoretical will not give you any marks. You will get marks for presentation, but comparatively it will be less, because if you are not doing any experimentation, at least you use your technological knowledge to make it little upgraded presentation. So we should feel that even if chemicals are not used, they have used the technology to present their topics properly. So as many effects, not the animation effect. I'm not dealing with that. Every group will get not more than 6 to 7 minutes, because we have to finish it in one turn itself, 1 hour itself. Have you got it? So that is there. Then after that initial presentation is over, you will work more on this, and then you will have on the fifth week, you will have final this thing with few more slide added related to the operation. Presently, again, I am saying someone had kept given me the request to give the format. First slide will be the welcome slide. Second slide will be the name of the college, name of the logo, college logo of the college, name of the student who are going to perform that practical, name of the project, and name of the guide should be there in one slide. After that, next slide, the objective of the objective or importance. Importance should be minimum one slide. It can be more than one slide also, one, two, three, etc. That importance you have to give, and after importance, then you have to give the present application of your project and future scope. For present application, at least one or two slide, future scope at least one slide, and after that you have to give the reference works. So total 8 to 9 slides are there. And last slide will be thank you, any question. Due to time constraint, no one is going to ask you the question. because we have to finish all the 5 presentation. And if you will take more than the required time, then it may be difficult to find out the extra time every time. So try to finish it as early as possible. That is the
अपनी
requirement.
मैम
Yeah.
एप्लीकेशन और फ्यूचर स्कोप एक ही स्लाइड में डालना है ना?
No, application, if you have many, present application and future scope, they are different. So it should be highlighted differently. Future scope means future में इसके और क्या application है जो आज नहीं use कर रहे हैं. That is future application, future scope. और आज जो routinely these applications are known to you, they are the present application. And the application which may be derived in future because of certain properties of the material, that will be your future scope. So make the separate slide for that future, present application and future scope. Huh?
ओके मैम.
Okay. Okay, so 16 to 20, are you giving me the topic just now?
मैम हम आपको शाम तक बता देंगे.
But before 9:30, huh? Not after that. Huh?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Sure.
ठीक है.
Okay, 20 to 25, 21 to 25.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Have you planned any topic?
Yes, ma'am. We were planning of making a project on graphene nanomaterial.
Okay. What is required for synthesis? Are you going to synthesize it or only showing the application?
No, ma'am. No. We'll show the applications and in form of a PowerPoint presentation,
Yeah, properties application. Huh?
properties, application, everything. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can draw the structure of graphene, na? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. We'll do that all. Miss, whatever we can do, like making a cardboard project or something like that. If that's possible, we'll do even that.
Yeah.
Uh, and we'll make a good PowerPoint presentation over there.
So it is finalized, the preparation of graphene nanoparticle. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. It's preparations, then it's applications and everything regarding that. We'll just do on about that material. We'll share the information.
Okay, but make use of the technology for presentation. It should not be routine
So,
PPT, PowerPoint. Huh? Something extra, huh? Which will help you to
one
score.
of its application is like it's used for water purification as well. So we'll portray that also, and there are many more applications. So we'll tell about that also.
Yeah, go
It is the
ahead.
lightest material. So
Main thing is there for all the group, it is there that you are lacking behind in the referencing. So whatever you one or two book general which are there, textbook like level books are there, you are referring to that and your information is not completely what is needed. So just don't do it. Refer to many
yes,
books of the or many journals on the internet. Don't give any time reference as the website or the Google. Don't say that from this website you have collected the information. Google and website, all these references are considered to be secondary one, and secondary are not authenticate. If anyone can upload the information on these secondary devices, secondary references, so you cannot guaranteedly give that information available on the website, etc. is 100% correct. It can be little bit manipulated, so we don't want that. We want the real information, and for that the journal paper, at least 2 or 3 journal paper. As I have said, if you want to collect the information on purification of water by using activated carbon, So just on Google, you just type this, the list of papers, journal papers published nationally or internationally on the topic use of activated charcoal for purification of water. See the list of the paper you will find and just go through it. Some in one paper maybe you will find that abstract is good. In some other paper maybe you will find some reactions are good, and make mention of all such journal papers with their authors, then in which journal it is published, what page numbers were there, and again I'm telling you how to write the references. That also you learn it from the Google. If it was a offline class, I should have told you this way you have to write. But first name of the paper, next name of the authors, after that the name of the journal, suppose Journal of Advanced Science and Technology. Then next you have to write down the page number, suppose 322, 325, and year. So that is you have to write it if you have to write a references from the journal. If it is bibliography, means any book, then name of the book, the name of the authors, page numbers, and the edition of the book. Now, if you will take something from example, I am giving Engineering Chemistry by Jain and Jain. So you have written the name of the book, name of the author. But presently 17th, 1/7 edition is going on. So I am expecting you that even if you refer to any book, see the latest edition of that. The editions are changing because the proofreading is done, and in every time some mistakes which are there, maybe printing mistakes or otherwise, they are removed from that, and that is why the latest edition will be more useful for you. So the edition, page number, everything you have to write it down, and the year also. So please do it in that way. Uh,
Yes.
okay, so now anyone has any query? Take your 5 to 10.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am,
मैडम,
tell us the
हमारा
format
ग्रुप
will
नंबर
be
1 है.
that.
हाँ बोला.
हाँ मैडम, हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम रबर पॉलीमर पे प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे.
कौन से पॉलिमर पे?
रबर पॉलीमर मैडम.
रबर पासून काय करणार तुम्ही?
मॅडम, आपण रबर पासून ब्रिक्स तयार करू शकतो, गाडीचे टायर तयार करू शकतो, आणि हे रबर पूर्ण सिंथेटिकल तयार करता येतं कोणत्याही वेस्ट पासून, कोणत्याही प्लास्टिक वेस्ट पासून तयार करता येतं हे रबर मॅडम.
हा.
आपण त्यासाठी वॉटर प्युरिफिकेशन साठी वापरू शकतो, कोणत्याही गाडीच्या टायर मध्ये वापरू शकतो, घराच्या ब्रिक करण्यासाठी वापरू शकतो, रस्त्याचे रोड करण्यासाठी वापरू शकतो. कोणतीही गोष्ट अशी सिंथेसाइज करायला वापरू शकतो मॅडम आपण रबर पॉलिमर.
तुम्ही सिंथेसिस नाही करणार आहात, ऍप्लिकेशन दाखवणार आहात रबरचे.
हा मॅडम, ऍप्लिकेशन दाखवेल आम्ही, प्रेझेंटेशन करून आम्ही ऍप्लिकेशन दाखवू शकतो मॅडम.
ओके ओके. पण गुगल वरच्या हे काढू नका तुम्ही, कट कॉपी पेस्ट करू नका फिगर्स. हा.
नाही मॅडम, आम्ही जनरलचे रेफरन्स दिले मॅडम, आम्ही कोणते पेपर, रिसर्च पेपरचे रेफरन्स देऊ मॅडम. आम्ही कोणती रिएक्शन घेतली सिंथेसाइज करायची किंवा ऍप्लिकेशनची रिएक्शन काय असेल तर आम्ही त्याचे मॅडम हे देऊ, न्यूजचे आर्टिकल देऊ मॅडम.
ओके चालेल, पण त्याच्यात मेन्शन करायचं याच ऑर्डर मध्ये नेम ऑफ द पेपर, जर्नल पेपर असो किंवा न्यूजपेपर. पण न्यूजपेपर वगैरे जे आहे सारखे जे रेफरन्स आहेत ते शेवटी टाका, कारण त्यातला व्हॅल्यू 0 आहे. जर्नलला पहिल्यांदा
न्यूज पेपर नाही मॅडम, रिसर्च पेपर.
हा, रिसर्च पेपरला व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे, फर्स्ट पोझिशन. बिब्लिओग्राफी म्हणजे पुस्तकांना व्हॅल्यू 2 आहे, आणि मग नंतर गुगल आणि वेबसाईटला आहे. आणि न्यूजपेपरला अगदी सगळ्यात शेवटी. न्यूजपेपर हे प्रत्येक माणसाप्रमाणे त्याचे व्हॅल्यू हे बदलतात, दृष्टिकोन त्याच्याबद्दल बदलते, त्यामुळे ते ऑथेंटिकेट आपण मानत नाही. तर तुम्ही बघा.
ओके ओके मॅडम.
आणि हे प्रेझेंटेशन मी सांगितलं तसं रविवारपर्यंत झालंच पाहिजे, 7 to 8 असलेच पाहिजे. आणि पुढच्या आठवड्यात जेव्हा तुमची टर्न असेल, जर टाइम टेबल नाही बदललं तर गुरुवारीच असणार आहे. टाइम टेबल जर आपलं बदललं तर ज्या दिवशी असेल त्या दिवशी तुम्हाला दाखवायलाच लागेल. अदरवाईज यू विल गेट 0 marks. दॅट आर द स्टँडिंग इन्स्ट्रक्शन बाय द पाटील मॅडम, आवर HOD. So we are going to use that
ओके ओके
instruction. तर ते मागच्या वेळेला गुरुवारी होतं, मग आम्ही गुरुवारी करता म्हणून नाही प्रिपेअर केलं, असं कोणी कृपा करून सांगू नका. कारण बाहेरचे काय परिस्थिती हे आपण ठरवू शकत नाही दुर्दैवाने. त्यामुळे बाहेर जर अजून त्यांनी वाढवला हा पिरियड शाळा आणि कॉलेज बंदचा, मे बी अजून एखादा आठवडा, तर मे बी सेम टाइम टेबल असेल. मे बी त्यांनी जर शुक्रवारी डिसिजन घेतला की आता इफेक्ट झालेला आहे, आता आपण शाळा कॉलेज चालू करू शकतो 1 मार्च पासून, तर 1 मार्च पासून चालू पण होऊ शकतं. वी शुड थिंक फॉर बेटरमेंट. आपण सगळे प्रार्थना करूया की लवकरात लवकर शाळा आणि कॉलेजेस चालू होतील, जे सगळ्यांनाच बेनिफिशियल आहे. हा, तर सेकंड ग्रुपचं झाले का काही टॉपिक तयार? 6 to 10. आर यू रेडी टुडे? हा,
Ma'am, we will let you know like before 5 p.m. We'll let you know, ma'am.
okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
My
Thank you.
phone is my son is using my phone for online classes because I am taking online classes on laptop. So even if I will not pick up the phone, you just message me your topic, saying that you are
Yes.
in one batch, roll number so and so, our topic is so and so. So after his
Okay.
from the online classes, I will call you back. Give the contact number of any one of you.
Yeah,
Then
sure.
yeah, okay. So that is there. Then 16 to 20 also, you are going to tell me the topic today by evening. 16 to 20.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Not again in the same manner. If you will call me, if it is not, I will not respond you because my son is using for the online classes. So uh, you just
Yeah, I will just drop a message.
you drop a message, WhatsApp message. It is my, I'll share the number to you. Now I will share the attendance sheet. Give the attendance, but surely next week you have to give the presentation. No, nothing will be listened to you from your side. I will share you with my, and you have to log in with your VIIT mail ID only. My WhatsApp number and the calling number I am sharing you with you. Please give your topic before 9:30. So I will respond to you immediately. But if it is busy with the online classes, but today at any cost, even at 9:30, I will respond to you. No harm in it. Give your attendance and come prepared for the slides. If you have any query, you feel free to ask me anytime the format anytime, but don't come on the next time when actual presentation is there. I will not entertain you that time because that is not the correct time. If you have any query regarding the format, you ask me 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, but this week, not at the time of presentation. One leader should be there, he will introduce everything, and 7 to 8 slides should be there. First slide welcome, second slide name of the college, logo of the college, name of the student, group 1, roll number, your name, roll number, PRA number and mail ID, name of the project, name of the guide will be there. On every slide, left hand side college logo will be there. Then second slide will be the objective or importance. At least one slide should be there. Next slide will be your present application. Next slide will be your future scope. Next slide will be your literature review. Marks are there for literature review also. Write it properly. I want the journals I want you to refer to the journals as many as you can. There is no bar or limitation on that. Rather, I'll be most happy if you will refer to the many journals, so that for future, if this corona type situation will arise, you will do the research and you will find out the solution immediately, not for the years together you will be dependent on the scientist. I want everyone you to become a scientist. By profession, you may be an engineer working anywhere in the any company as a software engineer, etc., etc. But basically, at the back of mind, you have to say yourself that if such type of situation will arise in the future, you are going to give some solution to the society, which will be 100% useful, so that the years together or months together, days together will not be wasted on such problem. It is just the wastage, not only the wastage. We know that because of the corona, many people have lost their jobs, etc. Many of them are not getting the food, sufficient food for 2 times, etc. Many of them have lost the job, so they are doing no same link. You have to do it. Instead of M and L, you just put your batch N1 PBL. Instead of, are you able to listen to me? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
attendance link, instead of M and L division, you just put N1 PBL session 2. N1 PBL session 2. Huh? Make it and come with this. I want today positively by 9 o'clock in the evening your topics for the presentation. Do you have any query? You ask me. Do you have any query? Please ask me. Anyone? Any query? Any doubt?
No.
Have you understood the pattern of the presentation? Next week itself, we have to give in-semester presentation, which will be for 20 marks. And fifth turn, next is third turn. After that, one turn you will get free. And then in fifth turn, you are going to give final presentation, for which you are again 20 marks assessment. So out of 40, if you will get 40, suppose, so out of 20, your score will be carried 20 to your final progress card. So that is been decided.
हॅलो मॅम.
बोला.
मॅडम लिटरेचर रिव्ह्यू मध्ये काय लिहायचं?
तेच सांगितलं ना, तुम्ही जे जर्नल रिफर कराल. आता समजा तुझा टॉपिक आहे प्युरिफिकेशन ऑफ वॉटर बाय युझिंग ऍक्टिव्हेटेड चारकोल. तर गुगलवर तू टाकायचं की कुठले कुठले जर्नल आहे, सायंटिफिक जर्नल ऑन प्युरिफिकेशन ऑफ वॉटर बाय युझिंग ऍक्टिव्हेटेड चारकोल. तुला लिस्ट मिळेल जर्नलची. तर प्रत्येक जर्नलचं नाव लिहून टाक. त्या जर्नलचं नाव गुगलवर टाकलं की त्याच्यात काय माहिती आहे तुझ्या टॉपिकशी रिलेटेड ती लिहून काढ. आणि त्या जर्नलचं मेन्शन कर की तू या जर्नलचा वापर केला म्हणून. दुसरं जर्नल उघड, त्याच्यातली काही माहिती घेतली तर त्याचं नाव लिही. तिसरं जर्नल उघड, त्याच्यातनं काही माहिती घेतली तर त्याचं नाव लिही. कळलं का?
हा मग मॅडम मी 5 जर्नल मध्ये लिहिलं तर मग 5चे नाव मी लास्टच्या पेजवर रेफर करायचे ना?
हा, स्लाइडवर, पेजवर नाही, स्लाइडवर.
हा म्हणजे लास्टच्या स्लाइडवर मी रेफर करू ना? म्हणजे आता एखादा पॉइंट लिहिला मी जर्नल मधनं, त्या पॉइंटच्या खाली लिहायची गरज नाही ना?
नाही नाही, तिथे फक्त नंबर टाका. तिथे नंबर फक्त टाका. कुठला पॉइंट तू जर्नल, समजा पहिला पेपर तू माझा रिफर केला गमंडे मॅडम, तर ती माझ्या पेपर मधनं काय माहिती, तिथे कंसात 1 लिहे आणि खाली रेफरन्सेस जेव्हा लिहिशील तेव्हा तिथे पहिल्या माझ्या पेपराचं नाव आलं पाहिजे. समजा दुसरा पेपर तू पाटील मॅडमचा रिफर केला, मी एक्झाम्पल देते, तर त्यांची माहिती जिथे कंसात 2 लिहे, खाली मग पाटील मॅडमच्या जर्नलचं पेपरचं नाव लिहे. असं ज्या ओळीने तू जर्नल वापरलेले पेपर वापरले त्याच्या ओळीने त्याचे वर रेफरन्स 1 2 3 4 लिहायचे आणि ते 1 2 3 4 5 काय येते खाली रेफरन्स मध्ये लिहायचे. कळलं का बायांनो?
ओके मॅडम ओके.
Have you given the attendance? Have you given the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I end up the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next time I want everyone with the presentation. Whether it will be on Monday, Thursday, or Saturday, anytime, it is not going to have any effect on me, neither on you. All the best.